Is it dangerous if you have a breaker in your breaker panel that just keeps tripping out? It actually can be. So let's talk about this for a second, because I need to qualify this statement and find out exactly the situation that you're dealing with. So are you dealing with a situation where your breaker trips out because you're vacuuming the house, right? And you turn it on and everything's fine. And then you start vacuuming the house again and it trips out. That's not really dangerous. What's happening there is your circuit is overloaded. Very likely the vacuum itself isn't doing it, but it is a major contributing factor because a vacuum is a very heavy current draw appliance. It uses a lot of power. And there's other things likely on the circuit, lighting and other plugs, and the cumulative total of this is too much for the rated ampacity or the rated breaker size, and it's causing the breaker to trip out. That's a normal situation and not something that I would describe as dangerous, though I'd probably recommend to have an electrician come in, evaluate the circuits in your home and see if maybe you aren't loading up too much. Oftentimes with older or renovated homes, people will add to the system over time, and there might be a circuit which too many things have been added to, and that's contributing to this problem you're having. Let's talk about another situation, a little bit different. So you're doing something and the breaker trips, and you go and you reset it, and it tripped again right away. And you tried to reset it again, and it tripped again. Is this dangerous? What's happening here, or very possibly what's happening here, is the breaker is overheated. That's part of the mechanical way in which a circuit breaker interrupts a circuit, is it gets hot physically. A physical piece of metal inside of the breaker changes shape, and that's what gives you this trip effect. Give that 10 minutes. Come back in 10 minutes and see if it doesn't reset and hold now. Oftentimes a breaker will just need some time to cool down. If your breaker trips again immediately, even after you've left it for 10 minutes, likely there's a short in the circuit somewhere. Something is shorting out and it's causing an immediate overcurrent situation and causing that breaker to trip out. That would be a problem. That's something that you would definitely want to get an electrician to come in and evaluate further. It could be something that is shorting out and that's causing your breaker to trip. It also could be that the breaker itself is wearing out. A lot of people don't realize that. Breakers do just wear out over time, and this kind of is the dangerous situation. If you have a breaker that is starting to malfunction, it's showing signs of deficiency. It's not operating the way it's supposed to be because it just keeps tripping out, and you're not vacuuming, and there's not an overcurrent situation. The breaker's just old and crappy. It's not the kind of thing that you'd test for yourself, but if you have an electrician in your home, they'd definitely be looking at that with an older breaker. Maybe this breaker's wearing out. And if it is, even if I can get it to stay on, I don't think I want that breaker in my panel. It's showing signs of deficiency. Once it shows signs of deficiency, there is something wrong internally in that breaker. That piece of metal that heats up and changes positions might be experiencing some sort of stress-related fatigue, or even a single overcurrent event with like a short circuit with a very high current spike suddenly can damage a breaker internally. And I don't want a circuit breaker in my home that's showing any signs of deficiency. I would consider that dangerous. And in that condition, if your breaker is tripping out over and over again, I would say that could potentially be dangerous and something you should get dealt with right away by contacting an electrician. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, I'm Technically Steve. It'll technically help you if you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you do, I'll see you soon.